don't know whether there's another woman in the house.
That is now not
my issue. My issue is the 2 children, and my clan will come for the burial according to the tradition. I have also heard that government is telling the Acholi people not to play music in the radio stations of northern Uganda. We, under our traditional, we mourn by singing. So I want to condemn this, that if government will stop our people from singing about the death of the honorable, they will be making a huge mistake. That is how we mourn our people. We should allow our boys, our men, and our women to sing, to mourn Honorable Jacob Oulanya without any interference, because the death is so painful to us, the people of northern Uganda, and that is our tradition. If they do so, then we shall think otherwise, that what they are talking about, poisoning, they are indeed covering up. And under our tradition also, if somebody is just killed, there is a way we bury the person. So that will depend on the culture, the clan members, the paramount chiefs, and everybody. There's a way we bury the person. I want to remind you, when Akena was killed by Kanyamunyu, he denied that he did not kill Akena. Akena was buried under the tradition until the spirit of Akena started haunting Kanyamunyu, until he came and reported that indeed he was the one who killed him. So we believe, we expected that the cultural leaders should have buried Jeropo Loket in that way. And we also expect that now, since they're saying Honorable Jacob Oulanya is also poisoned and killed, we want the cultural institution to bury him under our culture, so that the killer comes by himself to bow down and explain why he killed the man. This is briefly what I wanted to say. Thank you so much.
Muwulidde bulungi kati wano ngendo ndibaveera ku ntono mutegeere mu buwangwa bw'Abaganda baffe ne bannyinaze abasibuka mu mabuka ga Uganda, omuntu aba yattiddwa nga tiyafudde natural death, balina enzika ey'enjawulo era bo tebakaaba maziga ge tukaaba. Bayimba ennyimba zaabwe ez'obuwangwa nga bakoboola bajjajjaabwe, bakoola emisambwa, bakoola ne Katonda nga mwali, okuteeka obwenkanya mu muntu aba yasse omuntu waabwe era n'enzika eba yanjawulo. Mu kino batuma omuzimu gw'omugenzi gwennyini ng'amaze gukolako emikolo gunoonye oyo aba yagusse. Kye baakola ku mugenzi oli gwe baakuba amasasi, ono famire y'ab'ennyini byanyuma kwe yakuba amasasi, omuvubuka najja ne yeetonda era ne bamaale bamusonyiwa. Kye baagala okukola ku Jacob Oulanya. Naye Museveni asasudde ssente empya n'enkadde ba propagandalist ku TV, ku radio, bwepona abantu mu politicians abapa mu northern Uganda okukyusa statement eno. Naye ebitundu 7 ku buli 100 muyinza obutafuna kuziika okuli traditional nga mu kwagala, kubanga Museveni yasinga obulogo mu Uganda ate abamanyi nti ba northerners nammwe temutudde temuli bangu mu nsonga ezo. Wagenda kubawo okulya n'okkomba essowaani between Museveni and the northerners against their will, of their traditional will of sending off their beloved son. So there are going to be a contradiction between Yoseti Bahabura Tabasara, the son of Karekezi, and the Ugandans from northern Uganda, because for them they believe that Oulanya was assassinated using poison. So now they want to bury Jacob Oulanya officially in their traditional way. So now Museveni is confused because he was told by his witch doctors to do some rituals before they take Oulanya to the northern Uganda to be buried. But even the northerners, they say we must do our rituals to prove anyone who was behind of assassination of late Jacob Oulanya. So there is 2 forces. Museveni has his own forces that he wants to do some rituals on Oulanya's body. Even the owner of Oulanya, they say that we must do the rituals so that the spirit of Oulanya wakes up and go hunt for the assassins, which Museveni is fearing right now, that something wrong might happen in such a way.